Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jean. I am going to be showing you what I just got in the FabFitFun Wine and Dine edit sale. I'm so excited because I really like kitchen stuff and I really like stuff that's useful to me. I purchased a bunch of the stuff that I actually, back up. I have to kind of cut back on how much I'm spending, right? So I love the fact that they've come up with these themed edit sales, because then it tells me right away, like, am I going to want any of this stuff or am I not? Because of what the theme is. And as soon as they said Wine and Dine and they were like, your favorite kitchen stuff, I was like, yes, please. Because there are a lot of kitchen utensils that either I have been meaning to purchase or have, need replacing. Like, most especially my knives are a disaster. Like, I think at least 2 of them come from the Dollar Tree, and as good as they were for their purpose, for their immediate need, it is time to put those to bed and grab some better ones. So that's what we're looking at here. FabFitFun, of course, is a seasonal subscription box. The cost of FabFitFun is $49.99 per season if you are a seasonal member, or you can pay $179.99 for a whole year and get a discount. It is really awesome. I love it. You probably do too, which is probably why you're watching this video. I'm so glad. But anyway, so those edit sales, they happen, they used to happen just once each season. Now they're starting to do more themed edit sales. So far we've had an add-on sale this season prior to the box shipping, this edit sale, and now a current regular edit sale. So they're really kind of like throwing it at us right now. And that's cool, but I'm running out of money for this. So yeah, I try to think about my edit sale with Marie Kondo in mind. Like, does it spark joy? Is it useful? Do I really need this, or am I buying it because it just seems too cheap to pass up? Too cheap to pass up is not a reason to buy something. It needs to be too cheap to pass up and useful or sparks joy. Okay? Great. So anyway, let's find out what I bought. Now, true to form, I did not look up these prices, so I don't remember what I paid for them versus what they cost retail, but I will add that down here on the screen so that you can see and understand how good of a discount this sale really is. The first item I'm going to talk about is my favorite one that I'm the most excited about. This one actually came in the email, and it is a copper oven air fryer. Don't get too excited. It's not like one that sits on your counter that does all the work by itself. It is actually something a little better for me because I have very limited space. It just goes in your oven. So I'm pretty excited about this guy. It has like a copper basket and a copper tray. So this can actually be used as a cookie sheet if you'd like. And then the basket itself will give you that 360 degree even cooking throughout, so that you can fry things without oil, or, you know, basically get like crispy baked fries, which I'm very excited about. So that's my copper oven air fryer. Next up here is something I'm probably going to use in about 5 minutes when I'm done with this video. It is the Modern Chef vegetable spiralizer. It has 3 types of spirals. You get ultra fine, thick cut, or ribbon cut, which I think is pretty cool. So I'll just let you see the back of it here. And I'm excited about this because I am going to start trying to eat my carbs during the day and not at night. So, like, my nighttime situation needs to be a whole lot more vegetables, and I'm hoping that this will get me to eat more vegetables in the evening for dinner. Let's try, right? All right, next up. Super excited about these. These were worth every single penny that I paid for them. Well, I haven't used them yet, but I'm thinking they're going to be. These are a couple of sets of knives. So this first one is a large copper knife. It stays sharp forever. It's stainless steel. It's supposed to be like perfect sharpness, never have to sharpen kind of knife. So I'm excited about that. And then to go with it, I got this 3-pack of paring knives. Same thing, forever sharp cutting blade, never needs sharpening. It says supreme quality Japanese stainless steel, rust and corrosion resistant. And the best part about both of these, dishwasher safe. Yes. Yes, thank you. So I'm very excited about these. These were things that I actually 100% really needed. So no guilt about buying this. Completely need these knives. Next up here is the slotted Turner, Modern Chef slotted Turner and solid spoon, perfect for cooking and serving, non-scratch, silicone. So I really also needed some more silicone utensils. I have a really like a mini silicone spoon, but I didn't have a large one, and that's what I was actually going for when I was looking on this website. I was looking for basically 2 things. I was looking for knives and a big spoon, a big silicone spoon like this. And luckily this one also came with a spatula, which is great. I have one of these, but I can always use more as I transition away from plastic utensils and into wooden and silicone ones. I really love my current silicone spatula, and so I'm glad to have a second one. And lastly, this is the Cookworks 9-inch and 12-inch silicone whisks. So these are 2 whisks, one smaller, one larger. Same situation. I own whisks, but they are getting kind of gross and ready to be passed, moved on to, put to pasture or whatever. These guys are silicone coated, so they are not going to corrode. They're probably dishwasher safe. Let me see. It says stainless steel handle, hang hole for easy storage. Yep, that's true. Heat resistant up to 400 degrees, which is the best thing about silicone. And it won't scratch your pots and pans. It does not say that you can put them in the dishwasher, but I'm assuming they're probably fine for that. It doesn't say don't put them in the dishwasher. How about that? Well, anyway, I'm pretty excited about these as well. I feel like I did a pretty good job of minimizing how much I purchased during this edit sale. I easily could have gone overboard, trust me. There was quite a lot of pretty awesome products. But I think I did a good job of making sure that I bought only things that I know I need, things that are going to be replaced. So there are 2 whisks going into my drawer and 2 whisks coming out of my drawer. I love when I can do that. Same thing with the knives. I bought 4 new knives, and I think I have 3 knives to throw away. But these guys are a little different. I don't really own paring knives, so they're a little different. But I have 3 knives that I will be throwing away in order to replace with these. So, not too bad. Space-saving items that will hopefully help me eat better, like the spiralizer. And this was a compromise. I really wanted a real air fryer, but I think I paid $14 for this or less. I can't remember how much, but it was cheap, and it definitely is cheaper than buying like a stand-up air fryer that will take up space on my countertop. So anyway, I hope you loved that. If you didn't, I don't care. Do your thing. You don't have to like everything. It's okay. I don't mind. But I hope you enjoyed. And if you didn't, if you did, if you did, like, subscribe, share my video, check out some of my other videos. I organize them neatly in a playlist so that you can only look at the unboxing videos if you want. There are other videos on my channel that may be of interest to you. Check them out if you'd like. Don't if you don't. Alright guys, there's at least one more box coming. It will be a CauseBox market order. So that is very exciting. That'll be coming. I don't know when, because they were like struggling just to get the spring boxes all out, and they're like the market stuff. They're just like, I don't know. So, Cosbox always seems to have some shipping woes. I don't know what's going on with them. FabFitFun has been like on point with everything, and they do constant surveys, which is, you know, honestly, if I'm on the fence about both of these companies, I think FabFitFun might tip over into the winning circle, because they always send out surveys asking for your feedback, and I feel like they actually listen. Like, I do see some of the feedback being implemented. So you can't be mad at a company that does things like that. It means that you have a voice and they care what you think, which is hard to do when you're a big company trying to please a whole lot of people. So I think that's pretty great of them. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great weekend. Don't go too stir crazy, social distancing and being quarantined. I hope everybody stays safe and healthy. Bye.